And we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 322. Let me show the scratch disks. So we once again go to Edit Preferences, and it's a very simple small menu. Well, what does it do? It simply controls where Photoshop stores temporary working data when the computer RAM isn't enough. So you can pick these scratch disks with a checkbox, and you can even adjust the priority by stacking them differently. So the first one on top, will be used first. Obviously, I would advise you to use the one on top that has the most free space. In general, when you don't have much free space left and your RAM isn't enough, well, this could be the reason Photoshop crashes, could be the reason there's slow performance, especially while zooming and using the brushes. So you may want to check that and make sure that the scratch disk that has the most space is here your priority and is also checked under active. And this is how you can use the scratch disk preferences in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.